Unlocking YouTube Wealth, Strategies for Maximizing Earnings. Introduction: YouTube has evolved beyond a mere platform for content consumption. It's a dynamic space where creators can turn their passion into a lucrative venture. This comprehensive guide delves into the intricacies of not only crafting captivating content, but also optimizing and monetizing your YouTube channel effectively. Success on YouTube isn't just about generating revenue. It's about building a community, leaving a lasting impact, and fostering creativity. Creating compelling content, the cornerstone of a successful YouTube channel, lies in the creation of high-quality, engaging content. Whether you're delving into tech reviews, beauty tutorials, or gaming commentary, the key is to produce content that resonates with your audience. Investing in quality equipment, meticulous planning, and the use of engaging visuals and clear audio are crucial steps to capturing and retaining viewer attention. Video production and editing post-production is a critical aspect that should not be overlooked. Video editing enhances the overall quality of your content, providing a polished and professional appearance. Utilize reliable video editing software to trim unnecessary footage. Add transitions, overlays, and music judiciously. A well-edited video not only improves viewer experience but also contributes to the credibility of your channel. Optimizing for visibility to maximize the reach of your content. Attention should be given to optimizing video elements. Craft attention-grabbing titles that are both compelling and relevant. Use tags strategically to improve searchability. And write informative video descriptions that provide additional context, relevant keywords, and links to products or resources mentioned. Engaging with the audience. Building a loyal audience is pivotal for the sustained success of a YouTube channel. Actively engage with viewers by responding to comments, seeking feedback, and incorporating audience suggestions into your content strategy. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, fostering a sense of community around your channel. Monetization strategies. Once your channel has gained traction, explore various monetization options. Ad revenue. Enable monetization on your channel to earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks to subscribers who pay a monthly fee, creating a dedicated community. Merchandise shelf. Sell branded merchandise directly on your channel, allowing fans to support your brand. Affiliate marketing. Promote products with affiliate links in the description, earning a commission for each sale. Sponsorships. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content, providing a revenue stream while maintaining authenticity. Continuous adaptation and growth. The digital landscape is dynamic, and staying relevant requires adaptability. Stay informed about industry trends, algorithm updates, and changes in viewer behavior. Experiment with different content types, formats, and engagement strategies to continuously evolve and grow your channel. Conclusion. In conclusion, the journey to monetizing your YouTube channel is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of creativity, strategic thinking, and community building. Beyond the monetary gains, success on YouTube is about creating a lasting impact, building a community around your content, and sharing your passion with the world. So, embrace the exciting journey of content creation. Invite viewers to be a part of your community, and strive for continuous improvement. Ask them in the comments below which category they'd choose. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights and entertainment. When creating content, be mindful of copy. To achieve success on YouTube, maintaining consistency is crucial. Regularly uploading content not only keeps your audience engaged but also attracts new viewers, fostering trust and anticipation that can turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Pay careful attention to thumbnail design. Create visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent your video content. These miniature visuals play a pivotal role in attracting clicks. Incorporate vibrant visuals, readable text, and a consistent style. To ensure your thumbnails stand out and entice viewers, make effective use of playlists by grouping similar videos together. This not only enhances the overall viewer experience but also increases watch time, boosts discoverability, and encourages viewers to explore more of your content. If eligible, engage with your audience through the Community tab. Share updates, polls, and behind-the-scenes content to build a sense of community. Strengthening the connection between you and your viewers contributes to a more loyal and engaged audience. Consider collaborations with other content creators in your niche. This expands your reach as cross-promotion introduces your content to new audiences. Collaborative efforts foster a sense of camaraderie within the YouTube community. Delve into YouTube analytics to gain insights into your audience's behavior. Analyze metrics such as watch time, demographics, and traffic sources. This information helps refine your content strategy, tailoring your videos to your audience's preferences. Explore live streaming as a means of engaging with your audience in real time. Live sessions provide an opportunity to interact directly with viewers, answer questions, and establish a more personal connection. Extend your reach by sharing your YouTube videos on other social media platforms. Utilize platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your content and engage with a wider community. In the vibrant universe of online content creation, Sarah emerged as a beacon of inspiration, mirroring the success stories of real-life YouTube luminaries. A true tech enthusiast, she embarked on a journey to carve her niche in the digital landscape, focusing on the enthralling world of tech reviews. With each meticulous step she took, Sarah crafted a narrative of passion evolving into prosperity. Armed with cutting-edge equipment, her smartphone reviews became digital symphonies, harmonizing engaging visuals, crystal-clear audio, and razor-sharp scripts. Viewers weren't just consumers, they were captivated participants in her technological odyssey. In the editing sanctuaries of Adobe Premiere Pro, Sarah weaved magic into her videos. Thumbnails weren't mere entry points, they were miniature portals into her world, beckoning millions of subscribers with vibrant visuals and text that practically whispered, "Click me, and enter a realm of tech wonders." Playlists weren't just organizational tools, they were curated journeys through the echelons of innovation. As Sarah grouped her reviews, she didn't just boost watch time. She orchestrated an immersive experience, transforming viewers into ardent explorers of the digital frontier. The Community tab wasn't a virtual bulletin board, it was a nexus of shared enthusiasm. Updates weren't mere announcements, they were rallying cries, fostering a community that mirrored the passion Sarah herself felt for the intricacies of technology. Collaborations weren't just strategic maneuvers, they were synergies of creativity. As Sarah joined forces with fellow tech maestros, her channel didn't just grow, it became a collective celebration of shared zeal, resonating with millions. YouTube analytics wasn't just a tool, it was a compass guiding Sarah through the digital wilderness. Metrics weren't dry numbers, they were whispers from the audience, guiding her towards content that resonated, leading to the exponential growth of her digital empire. Live streaming wasn't just real-time interaction, it was a dynamic dialogue. Questions weren't just queries, they were invitations to share knowledge, turning her channel into a live, breathing forum of tech discourse. Social media promotion wasn't just sharing, it was a digital extravaganza. Platforms weren't just outlets, they were launchpads propelling Sarah's content to the far reaches of the online cosmos, making her a luminary in the tech review galaxy. In the copyright realm, Sarah wasn't just compliant, she was a guardian of creativity. Royalty-free choices weren't just legal precautions. They were affirmations of respect for the artistic tapestry she wove. Monetization wasn't just revenue, it was a recognition of value. Ad dollars weren't just numbers, they were the applause of a vast audience appreciating the symphony of tech insights Sarah conducted. $4,000 a month wasn't just an income, it was the realization of a dream. Millions of subscribers weren't just numbers, they were a testament to the inspirational journey Sarah embarked upon, turning her passion into a digital legacy. In the dynamic world of online content creation, Sarah wasn't just a content creator, she was an architect of inspiration, proving that with dedication, creativity, and a fervent connection with one's audience, any passion could metamorphose into a thriving digital enterprise. After ascending to the ranks of a famous YouTuber, Sarah's journey took on new dimensions. The digital spotlight not only brought her acclaim but also opened doors to diverse opportunities. Sarah expanded her brand beyond YouTube, venturing into public speaking engagements. Her insightful talks at tech conferences and industry events resonated with audiences, further solidifying her status as an influential figure in the tech community. The influx of millions of subscribers allowed Sarah to diversify her content. Beyond tech reviews, she delved into broader topics, sharing her insights on emerging trends, innovations, and the future of technology. This expansion broadened her audience, attracting not just tech enthusiasts, but a more diverse demographic eager to absorb her knowledge. Recognizing the power of her influence, Sarah initiated philanthropic efforts. Collaborating with tech companies, she spearheaded campaigns to provide digital literacy resources to underserved communities. Her mission was to bridge the digital divide and empower individuals with the skills to navigate the ever-evolving technological landscape. Sarah also leveraged her fame to establish partnerships with prominent tech brands. Beyond traditional sponsorships, these collaborations involved co-creating exclusive products, cementing her role as a tastemaker in the tech industry. Merchandising her brand, from signature tech accessories to apparel, became a natural progression. Venturing into podcasting, Sarah engaged in in-depth conversations with thought leaders, industry experts, and fellow content creators. This allowed her to share not only her expertise but also provide a platform for diverse voices in the tech sphere. In the educational realm, Sarah launched an online platform offering courses on content creation, video editing, and digital literacy. Her courses became sought-after resources for aspiring YouTubers, and she actively mentored emerging talents, paying forward the know